Alright guys, welcome to another day in Croatia. We're currently at, what's the place called? Krka National Park. So we're here for the day. We're going to wander around, show you the beautiful waterfalls behind us, and we're going to go on a nice boat up the river. Up the river, yeah. See a nice little Croatian village, and then back to Split to end the video off. But make sure you come, subscribe, hit the like button, and join our adventures in Croatia today. It's beautiful. All right, another beautiful waterfall. I love the waterfalls. It's actually not too bad. You come here in a national park, and down in the main centre, when you get off the bus, there's toilets, free toilets here, and there's little cafes and little eateries, little courtyards here where you can just sit around. It's actually not too bad. It's actually a nice day today. It's not too hot. Could be a little bit warmer, couldn't it?
Never thought I'd be wearing a jumper in Croatia.
Jumper in Croatia. It's only about 16, maybe 17 degrees today.
And it's sprinkles.
And a little bit of rain, like a little sprinkly. But better off being here than being out in the islands. We're going to do the islands in the next couple of days, so make sure you look out for that video. All right, let's go and have a look. We go for a walking trail along around by the waterfalls here, so we'll take you along and show you the ride along there. So let's go. All right, look at these waterfalls. Oh, unbelievable. That's pretty impressive. Let's have a look. We can't actually fly our drone here because we're not allowed to fly drones in the national park. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. And you know I love waterfalls. The waterfalls in Thailand, we love the Thailand. This is pretty nice down here.
It's beautiful.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
We used to be able to swim here.
You used to be able to swim here up until about 4 or 5 years ago. People started drowning, so they stopped people swimming.
A family drowned.
A family drowned.
And they stopped swimming, and also because of the sunscreen wrecks the environment.
Oh yeah, wrecks the environment.
The chemicals.
All right, so we're going to continue walking around this national park. Absolutely beautiful so far.
But there is spots to swim.
There is spots to swim.
Just not there.
Yeah, we're actually going to a boat ride, and we're going to go to an old town as well today, so we'll show you the old town. We actually caught the bus up here, and we're going to catch the bus back from Split. So it was 23 euros each return, so that's not too bad. All right, let's go on. Let's go. All righty, there's a little duck down there. There's a couple of ducks in here. Nice little area, isn't it? A little cute duck. We're actually a little museum. Nikola Tesla was born in Croatia, and he was the first one to do the power plant for the water, so in this country. So there's a little museum behind us. I don't show museums, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that view. Yeah, Nikola Tesla. This is nice over here too. Nice little museum here. Oh, the museum's up in there, and you go and see underneath, which is not too bad. But the waterfalls is absolutely beautiful. All right, but this is the start of the walkway, isn't it? I think it's about 2.5 kilometres. 2.5 kilometre walk around. But it's beautiful. And there's the duck again down there. It's a beautiful area. Nice little waterfalls here. But you stay on this trail for about 2.5 kilometre walk down to where we're going to catch a boat. And then we jump on the bus again, and we get down to an old town. And then we're finishing the little tour. 23 euros it cost us from Split. We don't normally do bus tours, but we get our own time to walk around. It's a bit of freedom in here, so we're not following everyone. We have been in the crowded tour groups, but absolutely beautiful through here. Definitely worth coming out here. It's only about an hour outside the Split, so definitely come down to this national park. It doesn't have to be hot. It's actually only 15, 16 degrees today, but it's quite nice in here. Beautiful. I just love the way they do the walkways through the nature. It's really, really good how they've done it. Up on above the water here. It's really, really nice. Nice day, beautiful day to be in Croatia. Absolutely.
It'd be nice in the summertime because it would look cool. cool walking.
Oh, it'd be cool. It'd be definitely cool walking through here.
Cool walking through.
Yeah, on a hot summer's day. But you know what? I'd rather walk around in this temperature than sweating as well. So
I take this temperature over 37 degrees.
oh yeah, like we were in Albania and Macedonia not long ago. So we've come down to here now.
I take this temperature over 37.
Yeah. It's nice walkways. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the water rushing down. Right, we just walked on the other side of we were just over there before. We were standing over there and we got the view. Look at the waterfalls from this side. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful area, isn't it? It's nice. Definitely worth coming out here, isn't it? That's nice. Even though it's not a great day, weather-wise, still beautiful, isn't it? All right, let's keep on walking around and show you the beautiful waterfalls of this area. All right, guys, look at this. Just absolutely amazing. Look at these waterfalls. All right, look at the waterfalls down there. Beautiful, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. And then you look across to the little lake here. The ducks there and a little bit of sprinkle. Oh, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing to see. Beautiful. We just keep on walking down this walkway. It's actually quite easy, isn't it, to walk along the walkway?
Yeah, it's really good how they've done it.
Oh, it's great how they've done it. They said, yeah.
Well, only because there's elderly people who come down too.
Oh yeah.
You know, they can walk along here.
And we were very lucky because yesterday it was 30 euros to get into the national park because it's high season. Today, the day later, 1st of October here today, and it's half price. Goes down to the cheaper price. So we're very lucky to come today. So, but he said coming up here in the summer season, it gets absolutely jam-packed. So I suggest, like, because we've been traveling through Macedonia, Albania and all them places around there in the middle of like summer, like August, September, or August anyway. So hot. I don't think I'd come to them places in July, August ever again.
Go to Macedonia
no way.
August,
It was like 37 degrees most days. But it's actually quite cool. Like it was yesterday, it was like 21, 22, but it was actually very, very nice day. So definitely September, October, best places to come around in the Croatian area, in my opinion. So if you're looking to book, look at them dates. It's still beautiful around here and still warm enough to enjoy it. Oh, look at this view down here. Oh, I've got to show you this view. Amazing. I'll get down there and show you. There's quite a few people there. Oh, nice big waterfall. Oh, this is amazing, this waterfall, isn't it? Okay. Very nice. Oh, there's a walkway down there, so we can go on the walkway and film down there. It's beautiful. All right, we've made it down to the bottom. What a place to have lunch. I bought a chicken roll. Tracy got a ham and cheese roll and a 600ml bottle of drink, 16 euros. A little bit expensive, but look where you are. So there's little shops down here. There's like a little area. But look at the view behind me. I don't know if you can see it. We'll go over there in a minute. Beautiful, big, massive waterfall behind us. So we're going to have a little bit of bite to eat, and then we'll show you the big waterfall behind us. So cheers, Trey. Look at that, beautiful. Let's go. All right, guys, we're crossing the bridge now. Look at this amazing waterfall behind us. Absolutely spectacular. This is the masterpiece. This is the end of the trail down towards where we're catching the boat. I might just walk up there and see if I can get some shots on top of the waterfall. So I'll walk across the bridge and up the top there. But absolutely amazing place to come to. So you've got to come here. I keep on saying you've got to come here when you come to Split in Croatia. Only about an hour's bus ride. All right, let's make our way up to the top and I'll show you the top of the waterfall up there. All right, look at this beautiful waterfall here, guys. Absolutely amazing. Just the last of the waterfalls I'm going to film. We're about to go down and grab a boat ride down the river down there. I'll just leave you with this absolutely stunning view. Absolutely beautiful. I did hike up through there, so not many people come up into this little section here. It's absolutely superb. All right, as I said before, you definitely got to come to Croatia and come to this spot. All right, let's go down to the boat. All right, Trey.
Getting on the boat.
We're getting on the boat with hordes of people. But it's the only way to get up the river to the old town. And we're going up to the river all over there.
To the town.
Oh, is it 25 minutes, is
25 minutes to the town.
All right, let's see if we can get up the top there and we'll show you some beautiful views. All right, you're on, Trey. Oh, this is a cute little boat. Look at that. Let's go up the top. Oh, they're cooking some food. It smells like fish. And look at them views. All right, Trey. We've made it on top deck. On our look at this. Look at this. Oh, there's a lot of people getting on the boat, and we've just come from over the back there. We're going down the river there. Alrighty. Are you cold?
It's freezing.
It's a little bit cold.
It's freezing. What is happening?
You're on a boat. Here we go, down the river. And the waterfall you can see just straight at the back there. That's where we were earlier. And the Croatian flag. All right, look how peaceful this area is on. Look at this nice boat. There's another boat that's going up and down the river. Everyone's waving. Alrighty, we're nearly arrived at the little old town at the end of the river here. So we're going to spend a couple of hours here and then catch the bus back to Split. That's absolutely beautiful along here. Alrighty. Thank you, mate. Alright. We made it. There's a boat there. Alright, well, Trey, we'll have a walk around this little town for a couple of hours. I know what Tracy wants.
Gelato.
Gelato. So we're going to get gelato, even though it's 15 degrees and freezing. We're going to get some gelato. We're going to walk around the town and show you what the town looks like. All right, Trey, we've just arrived in where? Skradinia. So we're going to walk up to the fort up here to have a look over the little town here. I will follow the cat. The cat's taking us up to the fort. All right, we'll walk up here, have a look around it, and then we'll come back and walk around the little town. It's not very big, and Tracy's going to get a gelato.
Gary is too. I don't know why he says just...
Oh, there's the cat. All right, let's go up to the fort. All right, we're nearly at the top. There's a big bridge over there. There must be a highway going down somewhere. There's the marina, or just down there, and the boat that we caught before. And the Croatian flag. Let's walk up. We're nearly at the top now. All right, only 4 or 5 minutes walk from just down the bottom of the town there. We're getting up to the lookout. Let's see what it's like. This is one side of the lookout. Ooh, there's the town up here. All right. There's a Croatian flag there and Tracy's still walking up. Let's make our way to the other side. Alrighty, made it up on top of the little fortress here. Here comes Tracy. Nice little view, nice little town, it's only small. But I'll tell you what, as I said, 23 euros for the bus to take us from Split to the national park and then the boat ride up to here. You can't beat it. A nice sunny hot day would have been nice. But it's absolutely beautiful views. Beautiful. Definitely worth the money, isn't it, hun? Definitely worth it doing this trip. All right, we'll walk down and have a look at the old town, walk around and get a gelato. All right, we've just been up to the fortress, and this is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? It is. Like walking through the little, oh, this is people's homes. And we're just walking through little alleyways all the way down. It's a charming little village just on the edge of the national park there. It's very beautiful and hilly. Alrighty. And actually there's little apartments you can stay here. So it's not just people's homes. Obviously there's little hotels and little Airbnbs, I presume, that you can stay here if you want. It's a bit too small for us. There's not much still around here, but it's a nice place to come and visit for a few hours. Oh, there's little cafes down there. I reckon in the summer period this place would be absolutely jam-packed. Oh, and he said there's a swimming place not far from here. You can walk to it. And he said in the summer this gets absolutely jam-packed because everyone comes here now, because you used to be able to swim in the waterfalls, but people are coming here instead. Oh, the clock tower, the bell tower just there.
It just went off at 2 o'clock.
Oh, at 2 o'clock, yeah, it only just went off. All right, we're just going to wander around, find a gelato place and keep on exploring this little quaint village, eh? Let's go. All right, we just made it down to the beach. Would you believe it? It's actually a nicer beach than the one in Split. It's all like stones and stuff like that. But I can imagine this in summer, absolutely being jam-packed. But it'd be nice to go for a swim there. Water's crystal clear, but it's you can see it's all set up. They bring all the deck chairs and all that down here, I presume, because they've got the umbrellas already here. And there's like facilities, there's little cafe facilities over the back there which are closed. But yeah, as we said before, this is October now, so it's getting cooler and this hasn't been a nice day today. But yeah, I can imagine coming down here. It'd be nice to come down in the summer and go for a swim after you've been to the national park, and that's what a lot of people do. All right, let's wander around the town and I'll show you what's there to do around the town. All right, we're just walking around the little town here. It's actually quite very quaint. I love all the different coloured buildings all the way around. There's restaurants and little bars everywhere. It's not real busy at the moment. It's later in the afternoon, isn't it? It's later in the afternoon, but I can imagine this place pumping in the summer because everyone would come down here in summer. But it's nice to walk around. It's not a huge town. We went up to the fortress and there's a little marina around there. But it's nice to come in after we've been to the national park there just to have a bite to eat or have a gelato and just walk around here. But what we're going to do is we're going to end the video in these beautiful streets, and we're going to go to the islands on the next video, so make sure you look out for that one. And thanks for watching this video, and like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.